Hi guys, and welcome to Energy Healers TV. Today we're in Melbourne and Hampton, and we're going to explore a little bit about these natural healing therapy salt rooms, what they are, where they come from, how they're built, and also all the other therapies that are available at Dr. Salt. They have massage, yoga, Reiki, and how you can add the benefit of salt room to those therapies as well. I'm here with Julia, and I'm just gonna ask Julia about a few questions about the salt room. As far as I understand, it's a therapy that's been around since the 1800s. Dr. Salt is a little bit different than the other salt rooms around Australia at the moment. Yeah, so could you tell us what the difference is?
Yeah, sure. Well, essentially every salt place is going to use a different products from around the world. Our salt comes from the Ukraine, the reason being that we're looking for a high percentage of sodium chloride with an easy accessibility to the body. So often with other products there's a presence of metals and ions, other distracting things. We've created what mimics a salt cave, which is essentially an environment where you sit in, tiny particles being lifting off the wall, and because our products are so high in sodium chloride, 98%, it allows the body to really easily breathe it in. So the salt has the opportunity to work its way through your respiratory system, so into your sinuses and your lungs, and because the particles are so tiny you can't see them, they're able to access hard to reach places which other forms of medication or therapies can't usually reach.
After salt treatment, a person tends to have some sort of healing crisis, which is the shift of either energy or something in the body. How does that process go?
Yes, we get a lot of questions about that because people are misunderstanding it as being side effects, but it's not. Once the salt does enter your body, it is going to expel and bring out and clear out everything that's inside of you. So depending on your condition, people are reacting to the salt therapy. But we see that as a good sign because it tells us that the salt is actually doing its work. So what we might find after a period of time is that people are bringing up and out all their congestion, they're sleeping better at night, their skin is perhaps breaking out, but then it's clearing up and everything like that, and it's those little indications that actually tell us that the salt is doing its work. So even if people are in a mild form of discomfort because their symptoms are resurfacing, that's a great thing. It tells us that the salt is actually doing its work and the body is clearing itself of everything that doesn't need to be there.
So can we go and check some of the rooms?
Yeah, definitely.
And see what's available.
The best thing to do is to see for yourself. So
all right, let's go. Fantastic. Come on guys, let's go.
So I'll show you our first room,
Yep.
which is the kids' room.
Yep.
So as I was saying, take a look. It's full of toys and the salt's on the floor and you can really feel it and breathe it in.
Fantastic. Look at all the toys and stuff that they have to play with.
Yeah, exactly.
Oh my God.
And so they just sit here, and as I'm sure you can even feel it yourself, the cold environment, the salt going through your body. So yeah, they play here and they love it. The kids just are here to enjoy themselves for an hour. That's the whole point. There's really nothing that you have to do.
Fantastic. Are there any age restrictions, like too young, too old, in the middle of the road? Or?
No, not at all. If anything, everyone at different points and different age groups benefits in different way.
Yep.
As I said, children under the age of 7 respond really quickly because their immune systems are building. But we have people of all ages here, stemming from mothers bringing their children in because they're identifying problems at a young age and really want to conquer that before it gets worse as they grow older. And we have people here in their 90s who come, and it offers them better breathing and a chance to relax. So this is our large adults room.
Okay.
Have a look. Fits 5 people at a time.
Yep.
And essentially we just sit down, give you a blanket because it does get a bit cold.
Yeah, of course.
Yep. And I would say most people fall asleep.
I have. My experience at Dr. Salt, I had.
The salt calms your nervous system and your, all your defense, all your body's defense mechanisms are shut down. So you really ease into the session, and most people, are really surprised when I come and tell them their hour's up if I don't already have to wake them. So.
I bet they do. Fantastic. It's a quite nice room too, huh?
Yeah, we dim the lights, and there's music going, and you've got magazines. People bring books and things like that. Whatever makes you comfortable.
Comfortable
is fine.
too. Fantastic. And guys, this is the other fun thing about being in the salt room. You get these great little shoes. So that you don't contaminate the salt room.
And in fact, the more people that are here, the more particles that are being released because people's energies are bringing them off the wall.
Fantastic.
Yeah, and we know that because that was how the therapy was discovered. And miners spent a lot of time in salt caves. Just by being there, they experienced better respiratory health compared to the rest of the communities.
And do you find that people need to come many times, or once is enough? How many times in average a person needs to come to sort of like has some sort of benefit?
Right, so the salt does need time to be introduced into your body, and the more you're here, the deeper the salt can make its way through your body, and with that come longer lasting effects. It takes a few sessions for people to start feeling the benefits of the salt, and then it takes a bit longer to sort of really identify how the salt's helping you in long lasting effects. So people are here for a couple months doing their treatments. The salt lasts in your system for about 48 hours, so people are returning it back every 2 to 3 days to keep that momentum running through their body. And people really enjoy it while they're here.
Well, can you tell us about the type of rooms available at
Yeah, sure. Well, essentially the whole place is standing from the concept of the salt therapy. So what we've done is we're introducing different types of treatments for people to benefit from that. You've heard about the salt rooms itself. We also offer yoga rooms and rooms for therapists. The reason being that we're looking to enhance people's experiences. So obviously with things like yoga, massage, a lot of it to do is your breathing, your state of mind, your meditation, Reiki as well, you would understand. Yeah. It's all about an inner body sort of experience and a good perception of how people are feeling, and the salt therapy enhances that because it offers you better breathing, better relaxation, and a better way to just maximize your opportunity here. This is one of our treatment rooms for practitioners. So we have a massage therapist, you yourself as a Reiki master, and other people that will be using the rooms as well. Again, you're getting the benefit of the salt therapy because we do have the wall made out of the salt bricks. And as you can see, we've sort of created a really nice environment.
Yeah, it's a bit of environment.
It smells really nice in here.
Everybody that has been coming here for over the last couple of weeks has been saying it's a fantastic room, and they always love it. They go like, oh, it's such a beautiful room and this and the other. So I think we are actually creating a very nice room. All right, so Julia, thank you very much for showing us the salt room.
Yeah, no, that's my pleasure.
Yeah, that was fantastic. Great information. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you next time.